Looking up high in the sky from our home of economy location in Grand Forks, North Dakota, as we have temperatures today that are very warm in the south, cooler up north where that fog was lingering. And we'll take one more look at that drought condition, which was updated here in the last 24 hours. There's been some improvement in the Red River Valley, and with the recent rains up in Marshall County, Minnesota, down through the James River Valley, with our last 24 hours of very heavy rainfall, there's some improvement there. And the weekend could bring some improvement for our neighbors out to the west who are suffering through not only just an extreme drought, but exceptional drought conditions. Here is one model's rendition of what happens between now and Monday with regard to our rainfall potential. Where you see, I'm going to back out the blue colors there, a trace to an inch of rain for many, 1 to 2 inches where you see the greens, and some under those thunderstorms could see 2 or 3 inches, maybe even more, depending on how things shape up. The American model concurs that much of the western and central part of North Dakota has a great chance at seeing some beneficial rain. Not everybody's going to get it. That's the way these thunderstorms work. They are hit and miss, but everything will help. Right now, we do have a few thunder showers extending from Lake of the Woods. So if you're on the big lake or, well, out there near War Road, we have some storms surfing up to the north of you, extending down to Thief River Falls. Not a lot of lightning from these, but I can't rule out a small soft hail potential out there in the Lake of the Woods area. Tonight, we have a marginal risk. That means any storm that forms may have a chance of becoming severe, but that chance is very small and, quite frankly, not anticipating it. Look at our temperature ranges. A cool pool, you can clearly see there in the greens in the 50s, and it is in the near 90-degree range, Sisseton and out towards the Wheaton area at this hour. Hour by hour forecast, gusty south winds keeping things warm in this portion of the viewing area. Down south, clouds and spotty showers are forecast, but not necessarily likely. And the risk of severe is extremely low up in this area just because the pool of air over that area is very cool, as we just showed you. So, we might get some rumbles of thunder, some passing showers. Not everyone will see them. Most of us stay dry in the south overnight. Take a look at what changes. Boom! We see some showers and thunderstorms form. But folks, guess what? They're moving over to areas where the temperatures are as cool as the 30s during the overnight hours. Is there going to be snow? I don't think so. But 30s, are you kidding me? And then the rain showers beneficial, hitting the areas that need it the most into daybreak. So if you're outdoors overnight in the north, that's where the chances are. Many of us down south will wake up with temperatures near 70 on our Saturday, but it'll be in the 30s north. Are you just 40-degree difference in temperatures there as we go through the day? Now, because we start so warm, we'll warm up 70 to 80 degrees in our southern and southeastern counties. But as we look to the north, it looks like a cold north wind blows all day. I'm not overly optimistic about severe weather chances on Saturday. Once we get through the morning showers, those will leave us with a quiet day. But we could see some pop-up thunderstorms in the hot and humid air down to the south along that boundary. They could be marginally strong. So we'll keep our eyes on that risk or threat, but again, it's in the far south the way things are looking. Here's the highlighted area we'll be watching for your Saturday. Sunday, a much better chance of more widespread severe weather out in the western and central Dakotas. We'll keep you updated on that risk. Temperatures tomorrow morning near 70, ramping it up to 80. We kiss it briefly. Notice the timing of this around midday. Then we cool off with a north breeze, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Cannot rule out a thunderstorm or two in the latter portion of the afternoon and early evening. Warm colors south. It's going to be a cold, blustery day up north and feel like it with north winds as well. Beautiful barn here, Samantha Green sharing Sharp's barn. What a view it must be from that haymow. And that barn has seen a lot of weather here in the valley over the years. Cooler Sunday for all, 70 in Fargo. Storms west late. They could move into our area into Monday morning. We'll keep our eyes on the risk of severe there. And overall, next week looks cooler with hit and miss shower chances. Wednesday looks like the pick day right now if you like dry weather. But Andrea, as mentioned earlier, we sure can use the rain out west.
Yeah, we sure can. Thanks, Hutch.